Y'all, Lolita's in the kitchen and I'm cooking pork ribs. Barbecue North Carolina style country barbecue ribs in the Instant Pot, so stay tuned. Alrighty, I've got the pork ribs here. Let's see how many pounds of pork ribs I got. It says almost 2 pounds of boneless pork ribs. I've already made the sauce. I want you to use whatever kind of barbecue sauce that you love. We love so many different kinds, and this is what kind I had. Hold on just a minute, I was doing something else. But, okay. Now, I used 1 cup of this barbecue sauce in here. Then I used a half of cup of apple cider vinegar. Then I put in another half cup of golden brown, light brown sugar. Now you can use dark or light, whatever you want to use. Then I put a couple of drops of this good old liquid smoke. So we're going to use a rub on this. You can use any kind of rub you want to. I'm going to use this Argentina steak rub on this because I don't have any other kind of rub, but I know it's good. I've done this before and it turned out superb. So what you're going to do, which I'll show you in the next video. Alrighty folks, as you can see, I've got some paprika on this. Yes sir. And I've got the Argentina rub on the beautiful boneless pork ribs that I'm getting ready to put in the Instant Pot. And we are going to cook these in the Instant Pot in the good sauce that we made for 15 minutes. And this is going to be some good. So hold on and I'll show you how we do this. Alrighty, as you can see, the pork ribs are now in the Instant Pot. And we're going to pour, I'm going to stir it a little bit, make sure it's good and ready to go over this. The North Carolina seasoning, great barbecue sauce that we've made. And I'll have that recipe in the description. Let's pour this gently, nicely over our ribs. Oh man, this is going to be some good eating. Yes sirree, Lolita knows how to do this. Oh, this is going to be good. Alrighty, now let's go down here to the Instant Pot. And we're going to push pressure, and it's already set at 15. We're going to put on the lid, make sure it's secure. Always push to seal, and it has started already. So that's all you have to do. And then when I take this out, y'all, I'm going to put it in this little ceramic dish, and I'm going to broil it a little bit to make it really, you know, have that texture on the outside that we love, the good barbecue broiled outside, and then I'll show you how that looks. So hold on. Alrighty y'all, those look good and they smell good. And the next step, I've taken them first out of the Instant Pot here. I've put them in my ceramic dish here, and I'm going to put them in the oven at 500 to caramelize the barbecue sauce on these tender, juicy, North Carolina style pork boneless ribs. We are excited for these today. So hold on for the next step. Let's make sure this oven is getting to 500. Yep. Okay, I'm not going to walk away from this. Y'all, my oven's not the cleanest because I cook so often in this thing. So let's cook, let those caramelize at set 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, start. That should do it. And when that goes off, I'll show you the finished product. Alrighty folks, I just took them out of the oven. They're caramelized. And I'm getting me a fork because this girl is ready to have a taste test. See how tender they are? Get some juice on that. That is so good. Big Show! Big Show! Big Show! Can't find him. Can't believe he's not here for the taste test. Hold on. Alrighty, Big Show finally got here. Put a little more juice on it. Oh goodness. There is that baby back pork rib, North Carolina style cooked, and it's coming in Big Show's mouth. What do you think, babe? Is it good? Good. Okay.
It's very good.
If Big Show is happy, then Lolita is happy, and she's done a good deal. Look, he's going back for more.
That's right.
Heck yeah. My baby knows where to come to the kitchen and get the good stuff. So I'll leave that with you. I will have the recipe in the directions below, because we're going to sit down and have us some good ribs and potato salad. And I'm going to put some Cajun seasoning in our potato salad, and that's going to be just divine. So I hope y'all enjoy this North Carolina style barbecue. Country ribs. Simple, 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 cooked in the Instant Pot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now. Y'all come again.